Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today let us know how to refill windshield water fluid at a minimum cost. First let us open the bonnet. Here let us look for a blue capped container which looks like this. The container is totally empty. Now pour the half of the Colin glass cleaner fluid. The other half we can use it for the next time. Now the rest of the container you should fill it with a 2-liter mineral water bottle. I strongly recommend you to use only mineral water so that it can be preventable for the blockages in the sprayer. Yeah, it's getting filled. It's totally filled. Okay, let us cap it. So this is the result. Like, share, subscribe.